everyone, it's Mallory. Welcome to my channel. I'm the founder of Warrior Life Wellness, and this is my very first cooking video. So if you love easy, healthy recipes that you can cook for yourself and your family, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below because I will be making more videos just like this. In this video, we are going to be making actually two recipes. The first one is Italian Veggie Meatballs, and the second one is easy from scratch pasta sauce that of course will go with the meatballs. So I'm combining them into this one video, and let's get cooking, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let's start with the meatballs. So you'll need 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and also 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Then shred 1 cup of zucchini. You'll need 1 egg, or if you can't have eggs, you can use 1 egg replacer plus 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, and then stir all of that together. For the meat, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork. Mix that together with all the seasonings. I'm intolerant to onions, so whenever I would use onion, I use celery instead. If you can have onion though, you can do half of a chopped onion instead of the 4 celery stalks. Heat 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil on medium heat. You're going to saute the chopped celery or the chopped onions in this oil for about 5 minutes. Then you'll need 8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms, diced into little pieces. And then add to the celery or the onions and saute for another 5 to 10 minutes. For the sauce, you're going to use 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Here I'm using organic tomato sauce, as well as 1 15-ounce can of diced or crushed tomatoes. Then I add about half a cup of water, and I like to swirl it around in the cans to get all of the sauce out. Next, you'll need 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of dried basil, and 3 teaspoons of coconut sugar. Then a small handful of parsley, fresh, which is about a tablespoon. Add in a cup of shredded zucchini or a cup of chopped baby spinach. All right, everyone, that is it for this recipe. If you would like a printable version, you can go to my website, warriorlifewellness.com. I'll have the direct link down below so that you can print it off and keep it for yourself to make over and over again. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so that more people can see this recipe and have this delicious meal for themselves. Share it with your friends who are maybe looking for an easy, healthy weeknight dinner, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.